Welcome to Green Patch on Terrace. Today we are going to do our garden tour and some harvest. So let's start with tomatoes.
Okay, we have few tomatoes here in this. It's very huge tomatoes we got. This is only one plant. This is in this gummy bag. Okay, and we have few more in this. So you know this tub, right? We have planted okra in the whole tub along with few cherry tomatoes in separate container. So we have in the same bucket we have pomegranate. It's growing, and since we have put lot of radish seeds in same plant, we could get only 4 from here, and rest all in the flowering stage. We just left it for seeds. And these are second batch of radish we have harvested last week, 2. And these are again third stage, like third term we have put, so it's in still growing stage. This is green Malabar spinach. It's growing good. Okay, this is cowpeas, and these are marigold saplings, and this is again custard apple. So this is bottle gourd, I guess. It's in still growing stage. We have one more female flower here. Okay, we have tulsi here in the same grow bag. These are flat beans, and this is custard apple, growing little bigger. We have tulsi in this part, and we have cowpeas. These are first cowpeas in our garden. We are just waiting to harvest it. And we have marigold and cowpeas here. These are rain lilies. So cluster beans also is growing good. It is in flowering stage. We have few flowers coming up here. Last time we lost all the cluster beans because of some virus, so we have to see this time. And this is our cherry tomato plant, growing good. And then this is purple Malabar spinach. It's also growing good and healthy. From here it went till here. Okay. Yeah. And this is green Malabar spinach. And we have some mint here in this. And this is, yeah, some mint here. We have harvested last week, that's why you couldn't find here much. This is again custard apple plant. Last week we have put some flat beans last week, so it's coming good. We have put around 5 seeds, only 3 came. Yeah. These are cowpeas, right? We have done the video last time, so it's grown this big. And we have some cowpeas starting, some flower. Okay, few flowers also there. Flowers. See, here we have flowering here also, and we have got white brinjal, right? It is in the fruiting stage. Yeah, we have one tomato plant here which is in flowering stage. These are all in the same tub. We have to see how it goes. So these are carrots. Last week we just wanted to see how it's coming up, so we have plucked one, and then we have seen it's very small, and we have kept it like this again, so we have to see how it grows. So these are again cluster bean saplings, so it's coming up good. And we have one pomegranate volunteer here. We didn't plant it, we have to see. And tulsi. So this whole bags we have to rework on this. So we need to remove all these sorrel leaves because it's not no use. It's not growing well in these grow bags. So we are just planning to replace everything with tomatoes. So we have few tomatoes to harvest. Cherry tomatoes here. Today is a tomato day for us. So this we have shown in the last videos also. These are green chilies. Everything gone because of that leaf. I don't know like what you tell. Curd leaf attack. So we just cut everything. It's coming out again. Let's see with fresh leaves. This we feel that it's bell pepper, and we have to see. We had same problem. See here also we have to cut this as well, I guess. So because of leaf problem. This tomatoes also is coming. These are all the saplings, brinjal saplings. We don't know. We don't have a space, so we just left it like that. These are all geraniums. It's in flowering stage, like it's flowering good. These are new addition in our garden. We got it from our farm, from our village. The saplings we got from our village. We have to see how it grows. So these are all chili plants, normal chili. Our favorite curry leaf plant is growing really good. So this also I have given the update last September 1st week. This is our corn. We have put so many corns but only one came, so it's growing good. We have to see, we have to remove all this. These are all brinjals. It's growing little slow. We have to see because of the weeds, maybe we have to remove. This is our pomegranate. It's also one of our favorite. And this is a volunteer and it's growing good. And this is our okra. We have given the updates last time. So we have one or two cherry tomatoes in between. We have put around 20 seeds, only 10 came up. Everything is in flowering stage and few are in fruiting stage as well. Some you can see all this. Some flowers. Now today we don't have any flowers, and we have put some corn as well in this. Only two has come up. We have to see how it grows. Okay, this is about this, and that is
Tulsi.
bottle gourd, and this is tulsi, and these are bottle gourds. So it is yet to give any female flowers, and it's growing little slow. We have to see. These are flat beans variety. This is growing really fast. There are 4 saplings in this, so maybe because of that, all 4 together is all 4 saplings are growing really fast. We have few flowers and we have some vegetables coming up here. So this guava is growing, and then we have few volunteers of tomatoes. We will replant it. We will transplant to some other container. Mint is growing here in this. This we kept it as trial one. We have to see how it grows. So it's growing good actually. This is coriander. We just left it for seeds. We have to see how it comes. And these are old ones, old okras. It's growing. Some birds are there. Here, and all. New set of carrots coming up. These are again we have put the seed of avocado, right? It's also growing good. Spring onions, anytime we can harvest, so we are just waiting. Whenever we need, we will do that. That side, you know, right? All are brinjals and few cowpeas. It's also growing good. These all eggplants I need to trim so that it will give more growth. So we are waiting for that. Brinjals we planted. These are all brinjals we have planted last time, so it's growing good. See here, bud is coming. we don't know what we have kept this. We have put the seeds. We have to see which color brinjal is this. And we were out of station for a week. All this melon is gone. All 4 melons are gone. All 4 plants are gone. So we have to see. And this is tomato plant. This is growing good. This is hibiscus. So it's giving every day 1 or 2 flowers. Pigeon pea is also growing good. We have to harvest maybe in another 1 or 2 days. We can harvest this. You see, lots of pigeon peas are there. See this one and here. So we have lots and lots of pigeon peas coming up. This pomegranate also growing good. Along with this, we left it for seeds. All sorrel leaves. We'll collect the leaves and then we'll remove these plants. Here we have planted some potatoes. We have to see. It's all dried up. We just waiting to harvest. We have to see. And in between we have 1 cowpeas. This is again flat beans. Here we have few okra again. It's like it's in buds are there. So we have planted few tomatoes, right? In last videos you must have watched it. So these are all growing good and it's in flowering stage. And then this is again green Malabar spinach. And again we have few carrots here. This is actually dry compost. We have kept it, but few it came as a volunteers, so it's like growing good. Again here flat beans, bitter gourd. So we have few palak here and it's growing good. We will harvest next week. Here. And we have lots of coriander in this tub. We'll harvest few now. We just need it for tomorrow. We'll harvest a little for tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll give more updates on our next video. Thank you.